This video will take you along in biceps workout to strengthen your core and sculpt that aesthetic of biceps. Exercise 1. Barbell curl. Keep your back straight, chest up, and shoulders back. Engage your core and, without moving your upper arms, flex at the elbow joints to lift the barbell towards your shoulders. Exhale as you lift, focusing on contracting your biceps, primary muscles and secondary muscles. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 2. Incline dumbbell curl. Keep your back against the bench, chest up, and shoulders back. Engage your core and, without moving your upper arms, flex at the elbow joints to lift the dumbbells towards your shoulders. Exhale during the lifting phase, bringing the dumbbells close to your shoulders, primary muscles and secondary muscles. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 3. Alternating dumbbell curl. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, maintaining a straight posture. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended, and palms facing forward. Keep your elbows close to your torso. Begin by flexing your right elbow, lifting the dumbbell towards your right shoulder. Keep the left arm fully E. 10 seconds left. Primary muscles and secondary muscles. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 4. Dumbbell hammer curl. Begin by flexing your right elbow, lifting the dumbbell towards your right shoulder in a hammer-like motion. Keep the left arm fully extended and stationary. Exhale during the lifting phase, focusing on contracting the brachialis and brachioradialis muscles, primary muscles and secondary muscles. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 5. S bar close grip preacher curl. Position an S bar on a preacher curl bench. Adjust the height of the bench so that your armpits rest comfortably at the top of the pad, and your chest is firmly pressed against it. Grasp the S bar with a close grip, hands placed about shoulder width apart, and palms facing up. 10 seconds left. Primary muscles and secondary muscles. 3, 2, 1, rest.